It's the black inventor you never heard of, bitch. Okay. So you want free stock? Well, my ebook has it all. Check it out. Has an interesting story. It also gives you key insight on how to start a business, maybe $1 million business, from zero. Well, I wouldn't say zero. Okay, let's reverse that. Let's say $100 or so. It's possible. You want to see how I was able to, get help to convert my business, and how you can still find help to convert your business into a powerful business? You can learn from my techniques, my strategies. You understand? It's in the ebook. I talk about how I was able to get help to bring my business up to where it's at now, to the point where once we convert the corporation, I'm willing to offer you all a share of stock. You understand? So every ebook purchase represents a share of stock. And early participation is encouraged because, we're the only ones in the world allowed to enter the country here in America with this technology. So prices will change. But I appreciate you all. Please get involved. You want your free stocks. You're on a quest for it. I can help you. Early participation, is encouraged because this is how you're going to receive it. Read that ebook. You know what I mean? Keep it around. It's an actual collectible. You know what I'm saying? You would find good use for it. Pretty sure. It will explain itself. You know what I mean? It's an interesting ebook. And yeah. Early participation. I appreciate everyone. So I'm just doing these videos, going to push them out there. We're going to go ahead and get it going in the algorithm. And hopefully I can get you all to understand exactly what we have going on here. I appreciate everyone. My name is Tonton Humbre, by the way, if you don't know. I'm the first black inventor that you never heard of. I'm just playing. I'm the black inventor that created life-saving technology revolving around fireworks safety. Every year, kids and adults lose their limbs or lives to fireworks. All right? Fireworks aren't limited to America. It's a global phenomenon, but we're the only one in the world allowed to enter America with this technology. All right. So, let's think about the numbers. Yeah, we got a good play field, I would say. But it's really an area to keep safe. It's not really a play field, of course. So check us out. I appreciate everyone. Because we're in the safety business, so gotta show my concern.